And we can see the tribal groups, they are having very less social divisions. It may be like that the different groups, sandals like that, mundas like that, ahams like that, divisions they are having, not like the caste system and its divisions. Then all those who belong to the same tribe thought of themselves as sharing common ties of kinship. They are having the relation each other with kinship, means they are having the relation with kinship, means they are relatives like that. They are having the feeling, that is they are thinking like that they are from the same blood. However, this is not mean that there were no social and economical differences within the tribe. That only I said that in each and every tribe we can see the families, those who are becoming the rulers of that area, they are having some preference like that. Some social divisions are there, and each and every tribal group itself, they are having the different types of job. Those who are hunting, and those who are making the baskets like that. According to that, there is social divisions in the inside the tribal group. And again we can see some of the people, they are very rich in tribal area itself. Some of them are very poor also, like their social divisions we can see in the society. So we are moving to the next part. How did tribal group live? And we know what is Jum culture already. We have studied that one, and just go through, and I will move fast in this area because you are familiar with this topic. And first one is they practice Jum practices, and that is shifting cultivation from one area. They are for example, this is the total forest, and this year these 2 years they are cultivating here, and after the finishing of this fertility, they will go and cut the other next part of the forest, and they will start to cultivate this area, and by that time this area will become again forest. The trees will grow, and after cultivation of this one, the fertility loss, and they will move to next part, and again it will start to grow the plants. And after this finishing of this fertility, they will move to next part, and they are starting cultivation there. So that is known as the shifting culture or Jum cultivation. And this was done all the small patches of the land. How they was doing, that is giving explanation, mostly in the forest. And the cultivation cut the these cultivators cut the tree tops to allow sunlight to reach in the ground. What they are doing, they are cutting the tree tops, and by that they will get the sunlight to the land, and pond the vegetation on the land to clear it for cultivation. And we can see this Jharkhand area, what we can say, forest, they are having very less other plants, means small plants inside the forest, maximum big plants, and in between it is empty land. So they are cutting down the top of the plants, and the sunlight will come inside, and they can cultivate that is one method they was using. And it is one of the 10th standard question also, what is Jum cultivation, or what is the primitive technology used by Jharkhand side people, or Chota Nagpur area, what they was calling. That is one was used to ask us one more question. It may be as a definition question or question answer type. Then next part, they spread the ash from the firing, which contained potash to fertilize the soil. They are not using even cow dung or like that things, nothing they are using, only things what they burned, what they are getting ash from the firing, what they fire, and which is containing potash, that is they are using adding with the soil fertilizer. Then they used axe and to cut the trees, and hoes to scratch the soil in order to prepare it for the cultivation. The machines also what they used, that was very simple, axe and the hose they was using. Then the broadcast they broadcast the seeds, that is scattered the seeds on the field instead of plowing the land and sowing the seeds. What they was doing, they are forecasting the seeds, instead of that they are scattering the seeds. Then once the crop was ready and harvested, they moved to another field. A field that had been cultivated once was left fallow for several years, where they kept as a fallow land, means which is keeping as a barren land for many years, maybe 10 years or 20 years. They will move back to that area, and where they can cut the tree tops, and they can burn and start agriculture again. Shifting cultivators were found in the hilly and the forest tracts of northeast and the central India. Wherever we can see that the people in the northeast side as well as in the central India also we can see these shifting cultivate peoples. And the lives of these tribal people depend on the free movement within the forest and being able to use the land and the forest for growing their crops. What they want to get freedom to move wherever they want to make their cultivation like that. And that land they want to get land, forest land for the cultivation of their crops. That is the only way they could practice shifting cultivation. Then only, means if they are getting like that free area, then only they can practice the shifting cultivation. The next one, it is the some of them are hunters and gatherers. The people, those who are hunting and gathering, that you studied in 6th standard, hunters and gatherers. They are hunting animals from the forest as well as gathering the fruits, roots, leaves, flowers from the forest. And many regions, tribal groups lived in by hunting animals and gathering forest produce. It may be firewood or honey, like that, many things. They saw forest as essential for survival. So the people, those who are living as a hunters and gatherers, without forest they can't live anywhere, because they want to hunting they can do in the forest easily. And the Kons were such a community living in the forest of Orissa. There is one community, that is, please underline that community name, that may ask us one mark question. And they regularly went out of the collective out on collective hunts, and they decide the meat among themselves. What they are divide the meat among them. They are going a group collectively, they are going for hunting, and how much meat they are getting, it may be rabbit or some birds or something, that they will divide among themselves. Then they ate fruits and roots collected from the forest and cooked food with oil they extracted from the seeds of the sal and mawa. The oil they are taking from sal and mawa, from that seeds, with the help of that oils, what they are cooking their food. And please underline all these words, very important. And they used many forest shrubs and herbs for medicinal purpose. We can see the medicinal plants like aloe vera, like that, many plants we know. Like this tribal people also, they are aware of medicinal plants, shrubs and herbs. Then and they are collecting that one and giving to the forest, and they are in the market, and they are getting money. And the local weavers and the leather workers turned into the Kons when they are needed supplies of kusum and polash flowers to the color their clothes and leather. They are asking collecting flowers and leaves from the forest for coloring purpose also. The people, those who are living in outside, means kusum and polash, they need from the tribal people to color their leather as well as cloth. And from where did the forest people get their supplies of rice and other grains? From where they are getting, what they are, the medicinal plants they are selling, and different types of flowers they are selling. From there they are from that they will get money. And how they are gathering grains, rice and other things. At that time they exchange goods, getting what they need to return for their valuable forest produce. If honey or like that things, they are giving to the people in the market, and they are collecting rice or what all things they needed, like a barter system. At times they brought goods within the small amount of earning they had. What they are having, the small amount, when they sold things and they collected some amount, they are keeping safely, and when they needed that time, they are using that money. And some of them did odd jobs in the village, carrying loads and building roads, while others labored in the field of the peasants and farmers. Very few people, they are coming out of the forest area and working in the with the village people. Means in different activities they are having, what they are not familiar with this what we can say in their own tribal area. And I know some of the people, those who are coming from Jharkhand area, this tribal people, they are coming to make this telephone towers and these electric towers like that, 11 kV towers like that. That work only in the summer season. They will come for 5 to 6 months and they will work, and afterwards they will go back to their own village when the rainy season starts. Then they will go and cultivate, start to do the tribal activity like that. Peoples also are there. And in olden days they was doing the other work. Nowadays they are doing the, this works also. That means what we can say, this windmill or means as a laborers of taking the load, carrying the load from one area to another area, climbing the maximum height area, like that work they are doing. And when supplies of the forest produce strong, tribal people had to increasingly wander around in search of work as a laborer. Normally, if they are not getting enough livelihood from forest, then they will come out of the forest and they wander here and there in search of work. But many of them, like Baigas of central India, were reluctant to do work for others. They are not ready to work under any group of people. If they are having their own work, then only they will do. The Baigas saw themselves as people of the forest who could only live in the produce of the forest. They can use only forest products. They can't use any other products like that. Who is thinking? Baigas, they are thinking. It was below the dignity of Baigas to become the labor. They are feeling like that they are already becoming very small or inferior when they are becoming the workers in others' land, like that they are thinking. Okay, we'll continue in next video.